Alright there, guys and gals, girls and dudes of the internet. As you can see, we're back working on the Fiero. I'm not sure if this footage is going to be its own episode or if it's going to be included with taking the body panels off the car. But we've got all the body panels off except for the doors and the roof, which I'm leaving on. And I'm just going to paint it on the car. And we're working on getting the front suspension off because we're going to be putting that brand new front suspension on there. So in this video, we're going to be taking off the front suspension that's on the car with 30-year-old bushings and everything, and hopefully get to putting on that new suspension that has all brand new ball joints, brand new polyurethane bushings, all new brake lines, and yeah, that's it. So let's get started. Drilled and slotted rotors. If only this car was fast enough to need them. So there's the 30-year-old suspension with somebody's painted calipers. But we're gonna put all brand new stuff in here, so stay tuned. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you remove the front suspension on a Pontiac Fiero. The 88s are a little bit different, but as you can see, suspension is completely removed from my car. Everything is attached to the K-frame from the sway bar, steering rack, and you've got your spring under here with your hub right there. You can see where the steering rack comes in up there. So, like I said, everything's removed. We're going to get this one out of the way, and we'll be moving in, and we'll be bringing in the brand new one right there. So, we'll save that for another episode. So as you can see, the car is pretty torn down at the moment. Like I said, we're going to paint the roof on the car, but we're going to take the doors off, we're going to get the front suspension back on it, and then we're going to take it for a rip. See how she does. But I hope you're kind of interested in this project so far, and you're interested in seeing where it goes. If you have any tips or tricks or comments, leave them down below. If you liked what you saw, please leave a like. And if you want to see where this car goes in the future, or all the other cool stuff I'm going to do, be sure to subscribe. Remember, you can always DIY.